Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Santan.
Hmm. How are you?
I am fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I am also. I am doing great,
Good.
and we are meeting very fast time.
Sure.
Yes. First of all, please say something about yourself.
Sure. Why not? First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this golden opportunity on your channel. Okay. My name is Umesh Prasad Singh. Right now, I am speaking from Bihar. I am retired from Army. Right now, I am working in Bihar Police. If I talk about my qualification, so I completed 10th class 30 years ago.
Yes.
If I talk about my hobbies, so I like sports. Sometimes I like cooking, and I am 55 years old. It's all about me. Thanks for listening carefully. If you have any question related to my introduction, so you can ask.
Yes.
Otherwise, I
Yes.
am very
It is
excited to know
wonderful
about it.
introduction from your side. Yeah, definitely. I will ask few questions. Yeah. First of all, I am telling you who I am. This is Santanu in front of you. I am from West Bengal, and by profession, I am working person. I work in the hospital as an assistant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I'm running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction.
Good. Nice to hear about you. Okay. Where are you right now? Everything, everywhere green.
Yeah, right now I am on the field area. It is near my house. Yeah, it is near my house. Whenever I come here, I always make this kind of video because there is good network connection. Yeah,
Good. You are, hello. You are
yeah,
living very natural place.
yeah. I belong to village area.
Good. It's very good. Everyone looking green, green.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can see right now the potato. Most of the
Hmm.
most of the vegetables potato and tomato, cauliflower and cabbage, brinjal, bean. These kind of crops are growing in our field area.
Okay. Sir, what is your district name?
I My district name is Hooghly district.
Hooghly
Hooghly. Do you
district.
know? Yeah. Do you know?
Yes. I have heard this name because my first posting was Barakpur. When
Barakpur.
I was in
Yes.
when I was in army, that time I went there, Barakpur.
Yeah. And sir, first of all,
And
I would like to ask one question to you. Right now,
yes,
you are too old, and why did you think you have to learn this language? I mean, why are you using this platform?
okay, sure. Why not? Actually, it's very interesting question. I am learning this language. Actually, sir, to be honest, I am learning this language only time pass. There is no special reason to learn this language. Actually, I want to utilize my spare time to learn something. That's why I am learning this language.
Yes.
This
Yes.
is the reason.
And sir, do you practice every single day?
Actually, it is a difficult question because I don't maintain my consistency. Sometimes I stop my practicing, but whenever I get free time, I want to practice and I want to learn something, but not regular. And I don't practice every day.
Yes. Yes. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you. How many members do you have in your family right now? You are a retired person.
Sure. Actually, I forget to introduce my family detail in my introduction. Actually, I have three kids, two daughter and one son. My both daughter have got married, and my son is a government teacher.
Oh yes, yes. It is wonderful family.
Yes.
Yes. And sir, right now also you are learning this language. And when did you start your English speaking journey?
Yes, actually, I have been learning this language for a long time, sir. But lack of interest and lack of consistency, still I am struggling to learn this language.
Yes. And sir, first of all, please tell me how did you learn this language? I mean, at the beginning time when you started your English speaking journey, at that time, what kind of method did you follow?
Actually, I follow only, maybe you have heard Chandan sir, Chandan
Yes.
Singh, the name.
Yes.
I follow only Chandan sir. Whatever I am, because of Chandan sir. I regular watch her video, his video.
And have you ever talked with him in Chandan sir?
Yes, yes. I get a chance. 1 year ago, I did a rapid fire with Chandan sir.
Yes. 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 And sir, earlier, before speaking English, earlier, did you join any coaching center? Did you go anywhere?
No, 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 no. I didn't join any coaching center. Only I watch Chandan sir video.
Yes.
Only
Yes.
watch Chandan sir video. I don't join any coaching center. I learn. I am learning this language only myself. I don't
Yes.
need any coaching center.
And sir, right now you are speaking English very well. There is no doubt. And sir, what do you think? What is the most important part for learning this language, according to you?
Yes. First of all, I want to say you thank you because you are saying that I am speaking very well, but I don't. But I understand I am not speaking well. I am facing a lot of problem. But as you asking me,
I am asking you for learning this language. If I am a beginner, I want to learn this language. What is the most important part? Yeah, what should I goal? Yeah, for learning this language, maybe reading, writing, speaking. What is the most important part?
okay, reading, writing, speaking, both everything is very important. But most important is speaking. Speaking is more most important. You know grammar very well. You know everything. But when you get chance, you start speaking. That time you get stuck. First, I want to suggest everyone who is beginner, please open your mouth.
Yes.
Try to open your mouth. If you want to learn this language, first of all, you try to open your mouth. So speaking is the most important part. Very person who knows English grammar very well, but when to come to speak, that time he get stuck. He couldn't speak in a single word. So I suggest all learners, please open your mouth and try to speak. Speaking part is the most important according to me.
Yes, I totally agree with you. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Listening and speaking both are very important. Yeah. First of
Yes,
all, always
yes,
you have to think how did you learn your native language? Always by listening and by speaking. That's why listening and speaking both are very important. And sir, in our society, in our locality, there are so many students. They know good English grammar. Yeah, they know they can read properly, they can write properly, they can also understand properly while watching any English content. But when it's come about speaking, at that time they get stuck. But what is the reason? Yeah, in my point of view, speaking is the most important part. Always you have to open your mouth. Yeah, I totally agree with you.
yes, 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 yes. Speaking is very important. First you left your shyness. You can learn this language and you can speak this language. So first open your mouth.
Yes. And sir, nowadays you are using this application. Apart from this application, do you use another application?
Actually, before this application, everyone uses Skype, but nowadays Skype stop, And right now I am using only this application. I don't have any application. I don't know about other application. So I am using this application, and I try to connect this through this application, because nowadays no one to do practice. Everyone want to make video. No one want to do practice. So it's very important thing, because when you drop a message in this app ki who is free, so no one want to practice. Everyone want to make a video. So this is a main problem. I am using only this problem. Do you know about any
Yes.
application as
No, no.
apart
Nowadays,
from this?
no, nowadays I am using this application, but earlier there was a application. You few minutes ago you have told me the Skype. Yeah, it was very good application. At that time there are so many learners. When I dropped in the message and that group, yeah, there are so many people, so many learners. They said that yeah, I am free, I am free. But nowadays I noticed that in this application, who are using this application, but there are less learner. Yeah, they are not interested in making this kind of video. Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah, and I use another application whose name is CB application. I have been using that application for a long time, but not regular basis. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, Santanu sir, how many members are there in your family?
Yeah, there are four members in my family, and my mother, my wife, and one also kid. She's my daughter, and me.
Okay. Okay, Dada, tell me, how did you learn this language? You learn this language yourself, otherwise you take help any coaching center?
No, I am learning this language because I did not go anywhere. Always staying at my home and using my smartphone. I am learning this language, and I am learning this language because there are so many reasons. You know, nowadays English is very important. Yeah, and uh,
Yeah.
English is a communication language to communicate each other, to communicate other country of people. English is necessary. Yeah, and right now you are from Bihar. You have your own native language, but I don't know your native language properly, but I am from West Bengal. Bengal is my mother tongue, but you don't know my native language properly. But after learning English, we are talking each other. We are connecting each other. English is connecting language, yeah. And nowadays, you know very well, English is a professional language. Whenever you go to the interview for taking a good job in a multinational company, first of all, the interviewer asks the question in English. That's why nowadays English is very important. But I am learning this language because there is another reason. Because during my study, when I was studying in class 7 standard or 8 standard, at that time I was very weak in this subject. At that time I could not write one sentence in English properly. At that time I did not know how to make a sentence in English properly. That's why I started my English speaking journey.
Okay, okay. So, which medium did you complete your education? English medium or Bengali medium?
No, no, no. My all study was Bengali medium school. And sir, you know, when I was studying in my school, primary school, there was no English subject in the primary school. That's why my English was so very weak.
Okay, so when you were a student, that time you didn't learn this language, but now you are learning this language. So, what is a reason? What is a facility nowadays available, that's why everyone wants to learn this language and everyone learning this language?
Yes, yes. Nowadays English is very important. When I started my English journey at that time, only for started for writing purpose. After completing the 2 or 3 months, I could write properly. After that, I started English speaking journey. Yeah.
Okay, so do you
And
follow
sir, I
any
would like
English?
to,
Hmm.
yeah,
Yes,
ask me
do you follow any English trainer?
any.
English trainer, do you follow
No,
English
no, no, no. No, no, no. Whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video on the YouTube channel. Yeah,
conversation video?
yeah. I watch conversational video, motivational video, and blog video.
Okay, so which YouTuber do you like to watch a conversation video?
Yeah, there are so many YouTubers. They are all every single day they are making this kind of video, and one of the person who belong to Surat. Yes, and sir, right now you are a retired person, and what do you do in your free time?
Actually, right now I am working in Bihar Police.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Right now you are doing a job in police department.
Yes, yes, yes. Hmm,
Mm,
hmm. Right now I am working in Bihar Police. And maybe you have had 112, 112,
yes.
112.
Oh yes, yes. All right, sir. It was a nice conversation with you. Yeah, you also speaking English very well. I have learned so many things by connecting with you. Definitely one day I will make another video with you. Yeah. All right, sir. Nice
Okay.
to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Okay. Have a nice day. Okay. Bye, Santu.
Thank you.